Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can actually promote your product on Redbubble. How you can promote your Redbubble product, you understand? I've video one part where you can actually promote your Redbubble product through Pinterest, and I'm showing you how you can actually do that and some simple tricks on how you can do that. But if you want full guide on that, you can actually click on the comment section and tell me you want a full guide on how you can actually promote on Pinterest. You understand? Because Pinterest is actually a very good website where you can actually promote your products. You understand? So today is actually like a new part when, let's say part two, when you can actually promote your product, your Redbubble product. You understand? So let's see, this is my store. Actually, this is one of my store, and let's say I want to promote this. These are my products. You understand? So this one I actually like jam packed a lot of, like, I create books, I create t-shirt, I create pillows, you understand, all these hoodies and everything. So let's say you want to like promote all these products. It is very simple for you to do that, and I've done this method. I've actually done it, and it is very easy. It's not paid, you understand, it's actually easy. And I've actually done this method before, you understand. And the place where you're actually going to be promoting your stuff for free is called Twitter, you understand. You can actually promote a lot in Twitter, you understand. I've done it before whereby I start Amazon, affiliate Amazon, you understand. Then I started promoting a lot of stuffs on my Twitter, and I was doing Redbubble during that time, so I actually like promote the two. I promote Redbubble, and on Amazon I actually promote clothes. Yeah, clothes and shoes. So I post Nike shoes and all that stuff. And on Redbubble also I promote their products. And so it's actually like kind of very easy for you. I'm very sorry about this sand underneath, you understand. It's actually just my nails. So right here. So if you want to promote it to Twitter easily, right? Dude, this is like one of the videos I've posted. I just came back to like something because it got a lot of sales, you understand. So I tried to like maneuver the price tag so that I'm going to get enough margin, you understand what I'm saying. So right here you can actually like click on this share right here. Wait, I don't know what happened. So you can actually like click on this share side, you understand, and it's actually going to be share on Facebook, share on Twitter, share on Pinterest. You understand? I'm going to be showing you how you can actually promote your product on Facebook also, you understand. So you can actually just click on the share on Twitter, you understand, and it's going to pop up, you understand, at your Twitter site. You're going to log in and do everything. So this is actually different, what's it called? It's actually not for this is one of my Twitter accounts, you understand, but it's not actually for Redbubble. So you just need, let me just try to like make sure you know what you're actually doing on Twitter, you understand. So right here, I've not really put a lot on this. I'm just trying to like start some stuff, you understand. It's just like let me say it's actually in your account, you understand. So I'm trying to like just create a normal general account, you understand, for everything I have, you understand. So right here, I actually do video editing and graphic designer. I'm actually a graphic designer, and a YouTuber, you understand. So I try to list what I'm doing right here. So what you're actually going to be doing if you want to start yours is actually you need to like get a very good DP. You understand? So you get to Canva. I've shown you how you can actually create with Canva. You understand? So you can create your logo through Canva and your this background right here through Canva. Then you edit your profile. Let's see my bio. actually right here. It's going to be maybe I'll sell something on Redbubble, you understand? Like let's say maybe I'm a Redbubble um stuff, you understand? So you actually like write things that will actually like bring customers to you, you understand? Because a lot of people actually design and promote theirs on Twitter. You're actually going to be changing this. You are not a content creator, you understand? You're just like a normal, let's say, marketing and advertisement. Let's say that part, you understand? So you can actually promote your product if maybe you want a quick sale and you have the capital, then you can actually promote your product. Twitter is actually going to be promoting it, and it's actually very easy for you. It's actually a self-explanatory interface where you can actually do that, you understand? So that's how you actually promote on Twitter, you understand? Because it's actually very easy. You just need to tag a lot of people then at first, because you need awareness, you understand? You need people to know, okay, to see your post, and you need to post a lot of times. Like on Twitter you need to post, let's say, 10 times daily, you understand? And actually that's very easy because you have a lot of products in your Redbubble store, you understand? You have enough product for you to just promote, like, you understand, for you to just promote Twitter, you understand? They're actually there. So that's how you can actually just, and okay, let's say each day you're actually going to be promoting five products. I know, let's say 15 products each day. Then you're going to take, maybe let's say I'm going to take clothes today and promote the 5 at the 15. Then tomorrow I can decide to be like, okay, I'm not promoting only clothes. I'm promoting maybe throw pillows, you understand, or floor pillows, you understand, or cup or arts, you understand. Depends on you though. So all this is actually a very easy way to promote your product on Twitter, you understand? And it is very easy, very easy. Let me search something. I'm gonna be searching Redbubble on Twitter. Actually, there should be there Redbubble on Twitter. Let's see which was actually showing up. So this one is actually going to be showing you. So let's say I want to check this Redbubble artist, you understand? Well, let's check this person right here. I don't know, but it looks like this person is into, like, is actually into Redbubble, you understand? But I just want to know. I want to show you how. Yeah. So he said it actually create 4 designs on t-shirt, on shirt, mugs, and products, you understand? This is actually his link. So you really need to like put your link in your bio, you understand? Which is going to try. You understand? You need to put your link that is actually going to link to this pattern. That's what you need to do, because if you don't, it's actually, again, you lose customers. Also, like, a lot of people want to like check your shop and be like, okay, let me see what is actually selling, and they can actually like mention the actually in your shopping. Actually something that I can be like, yeah, I like this product, you understand? A lot, you understand, product in shop. So see, is actually dropped his actually that actually showed everything. Is like his bio is actually good, not bad. Actually, in his what's it called, username, like his handle is actually right. The web pub is actually there, so that it's actually going to be searchable, you understand? So anytime you search Redbubble, you see its name pops on cartoon on Redbubble, you understand? So basically that means it designs cartoons on Redbubble. So if you want to check is let me check is what's it called, is store up, you understand? Let's see what he how's is doing there. So I think these are the designs. All these mostly should or would kind of stickers, you understand? All these cartoons that is actually posting probably with sticker because and sticker sells a lot. I don't know. This is actually taking me to, I think, Telegram or something, because since you live on Twitter, understand. You need to like put your bio, put your link in your bio, and put it a place where you actually put yours. Show you. And you can actually like put your date of birth if you wish, and you can actually remember of things in your settings. Yeah, edit over power and so you click on because it's like lead and this is actually the category where you're actually going to be choosing um which kind of category you are. You understand? You can choose the marketing, and this is the entertainment and recreation. You can choose. It depends on you. You can choose fashion company. You can choose shop and retail. You understand? Depends on the one you actually think you are. You are. You understand? So actually, I don't need to change mine. So because there's no actually for Redbubble in the and you say you can actually choose to show categories on your profile. Maybe you want them to know that okay, this particular category you are. You understand? So that's how everything is. It's actually very simple. Just go there and start posting. Understand? You are going to learn a lot more than that after you start. You understand? The experience is the best teacher. You understand? So try and start promoting your product on Redbubble, and you are going to be seeing enough sales. But if you want to use the promotion aspect where your Twitter is actually going to be promoting your product for you, then it's actually very easy also. You can actually do that. You understand? So let's move on. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed into this channel, please kindly subscribe. If you love this video and you think it's actually very useful, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell to get notified when I drop new videos, because you don't want to miss out any of my videos. Then click on the like button to let me know that you actually like this video, and you can share it with your friends. Don't be stingy. You understand? If you know your friends are actually into Redbubble or print on demands, you understand, you can actually like share it and let them know how they can actually put their own product also. Thank you.